All right. So yeah, so just a little overview. Okay. Nice. So what is a business? This is what you all did. A business is a process of trading, definitely. So a business involves buying and selling of goods and services. An enterprise that seeks to make a profit. Yes, definitely. A business is the process of connecting with the customer and selling the desired products in order to gain a profit. Really, really, so true. So, what do you think a business environment relates to? Relates to a market situation. It reminds us of the importance of political factors. Someone summed it up as pestels, SWOT, Porter's five forces. No problem. My competitive position in the market. That's what it might relate to. And then we moved on to how do businesses operate? They motivate staff, they promote teamwork, they hire staff to gain competitive advantage, right? How do they operate? They seek to maintain management structure. Someone said earlier on that they maintain four main departments: HR, finance, marketing, operation. They'd mentioned procurement there. And yeah, and those were some of the things we mentioned. Um, and right. So good work. They give training to to employees to boost or to improve abilities and boost their self-esteem. All right, very good. So thanks a lot for that participation, class.